Hi guys, welcome. This is Jason Singh from Blackhole Tech. So now TP-Link had sent us the new router called the TLWR841HP. It's a Wi-Fi router, obviously, and we have reviewed this in much details about the performance and the functionality. We've got a written review up on our site. We'll be linking that in the description below of this YouTube video. So as of now, we will just be doing a short unboxing as well as an overview, just going over the specs of the router. Uh, so here, as we open the box, we get the router itself, as you can see. Okay, here is the resource CD, which is the quick installation CD. This is it makes it much easier to set up your settings. For instance, you're inputting your IP address or your DNS address and your default gateway. Just click next and you're done with it. That's pretty much, it's very easy. Okay, TP-Link has also included a quick installation guide. Now this quick installation guide helps you with the hardware connection, it helps you with the configuration of Windows, with the setup wizard, as you can see over here. This can be viewed along with the CD, because as you pop in the CD, this is what it's going to show you on the computer screen. We have a general public license notice by TP-Link over here. Okay, another thing is the TP-Link comes with a 3-year warranty, as you can see. So that's a very good thing. Coming to the rest of the stuff, we have 1 amp power adapter, and the length is pretty good, decent as well. It can pretty much go around the whole your whole computer setup depending upon how you want to keep it. We have an RJ45 Ethernet cable. One end goes obviously into your LAN port, and of the router, one goes into your computer. Now we have 2 antennas over here. Now these are detachable antennas. Now what is so good about these antennas? These antennas are wall penetrating Wi-Fi signal antennas. What does that mean? They can the Wi-Fi of the signal is enhanced and it can penetrate through walls or other obstacles within your house. We did an in-depth review of this on our site. You can check that out over there. But these are really, really good, and the Wi-Fi signal extends over a very, very wide range. So this is a really good thing about this router. So we'll be attaching this to the router also shortly. So we'll show you how it goes on. Here's the router itself. Now, as you can see, it comes with another casing on top. Yeah, we can take it off. It's got a lovely black, shiny, shimmery finish to it, as you can see. It's got TP-Link's logo right in the middle over there. It's got some vents at the back, which will allow a proper amount of airflow or whatever. So not really necessary, but then it's always nice to know that nothing's going to overheat. And it's got a very futuristic design appeal to it. It's very compact. It's also very not too heavy. It's quite light. In fact, it's got the LED strip right here, as you can see over here, an LED strip, which will give you the notification of, for example, the power is on when you're getting a Wi-Fi signal. Now over here there isn't 2 Wi-Fi signals because this is not a dual band router. It's just a 2.4 gigahertz band which supports up to 300 Mbps. Coming to the details at the back of the router, we have over here 4 Ethernet ports which are LAN for your LAN. We have 1 WAN port for your internet connection, your broadband connection to go into. Now, it's important to know that these ports are supporting from 10 to 100 Mbps. It's not obviously a gigabit router, and then again, it doesn't support the 802.11 AC band. Obviously, as it's more of a mediocre kind of router, and it isn't in the price range of the high-end routers anyway. So it's more of an entry-level router, and it serves this purpose pretty well. We have also the WPS or reset button. WPS feature can be well tested through the help of a repeater or Wi-Fi extender in case the range is not sufficient of the Wi-Fi signal. But then again, considering that we have these 2 antennas over here, I don't think we should have any problem with that. So yeah, we fix these antennas on. It goes in like this. It's pretty simple actually. There's nothing much to it. There we go. Yeah. Can screw this on, yeah, more tight. There we go. So this is the Wi-Fi and how it looks. You can see. It has a very strong signal, and it's supposed to be enhanced with double the Wi-Fi, actually 4 times the range of a normal router, delivering twice as much of the speed of the internet. Now, what do we mean by this? We mean that over here, or as the range of the Wi-Fi extends or as it increases, usually what happens is the speed of the internet decreases. But here within this case, even if you go further away from the router, we notice that the range does not, the range increase, as the range increases, we do not see the speed decreasing. So that is in fact a very, very good thing. So the rest of the features of this router can be seen over here on the box, as you can see over here. And at the back of the router, it displays its 4-range amplifier of its enhanced Wi-Fi signal, cutting through obstacles and walls, eliminating dead zones. Now, how expensive is this router? The box price is 4,999, but it's available for around 3,000 international rupees, and it's also available on abroad for probably around $39, depending upon the site that you view this from. So do subscribe to our channel, and please like all our videos and our unboxings. We'll be bringing more videos to you. So thank you so much.